So glad you're here today. Happy Thursday. So today for social studies, we could do something kind of fun today. We are going to create our own poem today about mothers. But before we can do that, I need to explain to you about a special type of a poem that we are going to be working on. So this special type of a poem is called a simile. Can you guys say simile? Good job, simile. So when we write a simile, we take two objects and we compare them to one another, but there's a key. When you compare them together, you have to use the word like or as. So for example, I may say, oh, she's as sweet as pie. Or he's colorful like a rainbow. So see how I use the word as or like to compare two things? I compared the person to a pie. And again, I compared a different person to the rainbow. So that's what your job is going to be today. We're going to write a poem about mom. And using the similes, all right, the comparisons is how you're going to complete it. Now, I thought I would help you out a little bit, and I would show you a quick little video about similes. It's about 4 minutes long. It's super short. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you listen to that, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk.
Learn about similes. Similes are a lot of fun to use. In fact, you probably already use similes, maybe even without realizing it. You might be wondering, what are similes? How could I have used them if I don't even know what they are? Similes are actually a way of comparing two things. We compare things all of the time. Look at this comparison. The baby sleeps like a koala. In this sentence, we are comparing the baby to a koala. What's the comparison? That the baby sleeps like a koala. This is a comparison. Look at this comparison. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. The comparison is between his sister and the lamb. And the gentleness is what makes them similar. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. That's a comparison. Let's look at both of our comparisons again. The baby sleeps like a koala, and his sister is as gentle as a lamb. You want to know something interesting about these comparisons? These comparisons are similes. That's right. Both of these sentences are similes. You see, similes are comparisons that use the words like or as. If there's a comparison that uses the words like or as, then you know that that comparison is a simile. Look at this sentence. Learning is as easy as pie. Wow, learning is being compared to having pie. Easy as pie is a very common simile that means easy. Just like it's easy to eat pie, in this sentence, learning is as easy as pie. It's easy to learn. Learning is as easy as pie. This is a simile because it is a comparison using the word as. Remember, similes are comparisons that use the words like or as. Similes are a way of comparing things using the words like or as. Look at this simile. The strawberries are red like roses. The strawberries are red like roses. We know that this is a simile because it is a comparison. And notice the word like. The word like means if it's a comparison, that it is a simile. The strawberries are being compared to the roses. And what do the strawberries have in common with the roses? Yeah, they're both red. The strawberries are red like the roses. This is a simile. Similes are easy to spot. A simile is a comparison and you're looking for one of two words. You're hunting for the word like or as. If the comparison uses either of these words, you know it's a simile. And what's cool is now you can use the word like or the word as in your comparisons to make your very own similes. Isn't that awesome? Wow, he is as happy as a clam that he knows what similes are now. Get it? That's a simile because it uses the word as. You know, a comparison that uses the word like or as is a simile. He's as happy as a clam. He's as happy as a homeschool pop viewer, right? You know? He's as happy as Mr. Whiskers, you know? Anyway, we hope you had fun learning about similes, and we hope to catch you next time.
All right, you guys. So that was pretty good, right? I feel like they gave a good explanation. So one of the things that I'm going to talk to you about is making a comparison. So if you take a look, my word is pretty. So when I think of pretty, I'm going to make a list of all the things that remind me of something pretty. So in my mind, I think, a flower reminds me of something pretty. A rainbow reminds me of something pretty. Ooh, how about a diamond reminds me of something pretty? And there's just a few examples. So when I compare somebody or something to pretty, I would say my mom is pretty as a flower. My mom is as pretty as a rainbow. My mom is as pretty as a diamond. So take a look. You're going to be printing this out on Seesaw, and this is going to be your poem using similes. So my mom, a poem. My mom is as pretty as, and you're going to write what you think is pretty as a rose, as pretty as a rainbow, as pretty as a flower, as pretty as a diamond. So you're going to complete this poem thinking about all the ways that your mom compares to all these things in the poem, okay? So listen, guys, you are amazing. I know how hard you're working. I know you are getting first grade ready, and I'm super, super proud of you. So see if you can work on this today, complete it, and then pop that up on Seesaw for me to see. I'm going to be excited to see it, okay? Love you guys, and see you back here tomorrow.